Mahindra has unveiled a completely new off-road vehicle not legal on the street in the United States. The new SUV called Mahindra Roxor will be manufactured at Mahindra's new manufacturing facility in Auburn Hills, near Detroit, Michigan, and will be available soon at a starting price of approximately $15,000 or approximately $10 lakh. The Mahindra Roxor will be sold under Mahindra North America or MANA in the United States. The new Roxor is essentially based on Mahindra Thar, but it has a long list of changes that included a new front to avoid conflicts of interest with the Jeep. The design language of the brand in the United States. The Roxor will also be a more basic vehicle compared to the Thar, without doors and without a hard roof except the windshield. The Mahindra Roxor will be primarily aimed at the off-road vehicle segment side-by-side in the United States. The Roxor will also feature a more bare-bones interior with a steel board compared to the plastic board that is available in the likes of Thar. The Mahindra Roxor will be available with a lot of accessories, including heavy-duty winches, light bars, off-road wheels, etc. The Mahindra Roxor also features simple front seats and a heavy-duty hand grip for the passenger side mounted on the dashboard. The board also has a group of simple meters mounted in the middle, while the center console has the favorite feature of the United States in the car, cup holders. In terms of mechanical bits, the Mahindra Roxor features a turbocharged 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder engine. The engine takes a modest 62 bhp. The Roxor, of course, is available on the left-hand drive, as is the norm in the United States, and has a manual gearbox along with a traditional manual 4-wheel gearshift.